Guys, welcome back. Today I'm just playing with some more slime. I'm playing with the sticky slime, but I'm gonna make it even more sticky and see like how I can play with it, or how far I can make it, and see how sticky I can make it, and see if I can still play with it. So let's do that. I'm sorry, it's really dark in here. I mean, I don't really have any more light, but it's pretty bright in here. So that's probably why. But I'm just gonna fill the container with water and then just stick the slime in here. That was way too much. Okay. Let's go ahead and take it and then just stick it. Ew. Then I take it out and stretch it, and I try to play with it. And then each time it'll get a little bit more sticky. It's so sticky already. Sorry about that if you heard that. So sticky. Already it's very sticky. Like, just ignore this. Okay, I put that in there for way too long and kept it in there for way too long. It's so sticky. It's very sticky already. It's like 7 at night. Oh wait, what am I doing? Anyway guys, sorry about that. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, like this video, and share this video with a friend. Sorry if you hear anything in the background. It's either my sister or my grandma or the TV because we are watching a movie. Sorry about that. We are watching a movie.
No, that.
And
yeah.
Do you want 2 pieces of bread?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
I'm literally trying to talk over. Oh, and watch till the end because there will be bloopers. So yeah.
I'll get the peanut butter, Grandma.
Okay.
The slime is kind of sticky in a way. Still,
Okay, I got it.
But
No, yeah, I'm gonna do it at the table.
Okay.
it's pretty sticky right now. So let's see how far I can get to play with this until it's like way too sticky. I literally wonder.
Strawberry jam.
Yeah.
Ready, guys?
No strawberry?
Ew, it's so gross. It's like crazy.
Sorry.
It's just like so weird in a way. Like, ugh. It's just so sticky right now. Ew, 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 ew. Guys. Help me. I don't know. I don't know if this counts right now or if I'm still playing with it as slime or they just, ugh. I guess we'll just make it till as far as I can stand. But I don't know how much farther I can stand until it gets a little too bad. I'm just playing with it fast because I'm like sticky. Yeah, I keep like coughing. Not sick though, don't worry about that. I guess we'll try to do this, and I hope it's not too bad. But it's very glossy and pretty. Ew. So, I am of course still in Arkansas. It has actually been really nice here. They have great weather here. They don't have the good radio stations, but it's just really nice here where we are. I think it's just really pretty, and I'm going to show you what things we've done and what things we are going to do this week. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's so sticky. Help me. Okay, I think this is literally going to be the last. Okay, I can't anymore. Looks like it's over because I cannot play anymore with this. Yeah, I definitely can't. I would not made it any farther. I would just say that because it's really hard to stand this right now. Sorry, I'm just washing my hands because it's so gross. Washing the water.
Grandma, Vicky turned the water off.
Okay, anyway.
Put it on back up.
It's so unbearable. I love this slime, and I ruined it.
Okay, I'm gonna do
You're
that.
welcome, guys. Oh my gosh. Don't forget to check out my new videos, and I will do bloopers, but first I'm gonna go show you the things that we are going to do this week. Sorry, I was running. I don't know why, but I was. Oh no! The paper got super wet. Ew. Anyway, so on Monday, we went to this donut thing, and then Tuesday, today, we did bear creations. It's like Build-A-Bear. And then Wednesday, tomorrow, we're gonna do tie-dye shirts. Woohoo! And then Thursday, we're doing PJs and pancakes, and also we're doing a bath bomb at 2 o'clock. And then Thursday, we got 9:30 through 10:30, and then Wednesday, 10 o'clock tomorrow. And we did 10 o'clock this morning too. And then Friday, it's Fairy Gardens at 10. So yeah, time for the bloopers. Hold on, guys. I'm not even, hold on.
I can spread it all the way to the edge if you need me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I need
Today,
to do it.
no, bye. Hello, so today, you're just doing the best video in the world. Slime.
Grandma.
Hey guys, today I'm slime. Yes.
Hey.
Hey Carol,
Strawberry.
Hey guys, let's do
I'm
this.
reading about Hawaii.
Okay, whatever. Bye guys.
It's got a list of favorite native